Example 2. As head of inventory for No Way Computer Company, you were thrilled that you'd managed to ship 2 computers to your biggest client the day the order arrived. You're horrified, though, to find out that someone had restocked refurbished computers in with the new computers in your storeroom. The shipped computers were selected randomly from the 15 computers in stock, but 4 of those were actually refurbished. If your client receives 2 new computers, things are fine. If the client gets 1 refurbished computer, it'll be sent back at your expense, $100, and you can replace it. However, if both computers are refurbished, the client will cancel the order this month and you will lose a total of $1,000. What is the expected value and the standard deviation of the company's loss? So we're going to do a probability model here. Independence doesn't apply, but we can calculate the probability of these changing things. So $0 in loss is the probability of having good computers, 11 out of 15 times 10 out of 14, because you've already got a good computer. Now the good computers drop and the other computers you drop. This comes out to be 0.5238. We're doing loss, so we can just count this as $100, not negative 100, but $100 loss. Now this probability is hard to find. There's a lot of different things going on. So we'll use a complement to find it. Instead, we'll find $1,000 first, which is 4 out of 15 because there's 4 bad computers, times 3 out of 14. That's the probability of getting 2 bad ones. This will be 0.0571. So now to find the probability of a $100 loss, we just do the complement. We're going to add the 0.5238 and the 0.0571 together and subtract them from 1, which gives us 0.4191. So we have about a 42% chance of losing $100. Now let's calculate that expected value. So mu, or E of x, mu is just a symbol for expected value, equals $0 loss times its probability, 0.5238, plus 100 times the probability of a $100 loss, 0.4191, plus the probability of losing $1,000, which is 0.0571, which equals $99 and a penny. So, according to our probability model, it's a model, so we want to make sure we explain that, the company's expected loss would be $99.01. We found the expected value, so now let's find the standard deviation of the company's loss. We're going to start by just finding the variance. So the variance of x equals a $0 loss minus the expected value, 99.01, quantity squared, times the probability of losing only $0, which is 0.5238. We're going to add to this losing $100 minus expected value, 99.01, quantity squared, times the probability of that event occurring, which is 0.4191. Finally, we're going to add to this the probability of losing $1,000, so 1,000 minus the expected value, 99.01, quantity squared, times its probability of 0.0571. This comes out to equal 51,488. Now we're going to find the standard deviation, which equals the square root of the variance or the square root of 51,488. Which will equal $226.91.